Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the refrigerator and pull it out about 1/2 meter so you can work safely. Once done, remove the compressor cover and visually inspect for oil, scorched paint, or loose wires. Next, use a multimeter to check the start relay and overload for continuity, record resistance values. This first action verifies whether the relay, overload, or wiring is the likely culprit, and it lets you plan the replacement steps with confidence, so you avoid swapping the compressor. You now do the deeper checks. Power remains off, make sure it is, then remove the start relay and capacitor. Test the capacitor in microfarads and confirm it is within plus or minus 10% of the label. A bad capacitor often prevents startup. Next, measure compressor winding resistances, run, start, and common, and compare ratios to expected low-ohm patterns. Inconsistent values indicate motor failure. Also inspect wiring and connectors. Repair any cracked insulation or corroded terminals, so the electrical path is solid before reassembly. You finish by installing the known good relay and capacitor, securing all wires and replacing the compressor cover. Once done, push the fridge back but leave service access, then plug it in and let the compressor run 10 to 15 minutes while you listen for a steady, smooth sound. Make sure to monitor temperatures over the next 4 to 6 hours to confirm cooling. If the compressor hums but won't start, swap the start relay and capacitor first. If that fails, the compressor motor itself likely needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.